Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of exponents. So let's dive into it. My son is also wanted to be part of this video. So which of the following is equal to j to the power of 2 over 3 for all values of j? A, we have third degree root to the power of j squared. B, we have j to the power of 6. And C, we have square root of j cubed. And the D, we have j to the power of 2 over 5. So, j to the power of 2 over 3. 2 is in the numerator. And that's going to stay as in the numerator. It's going to stay on top, And the one in the denominator goes into the square root as a degree. So in this case, we have choice A will be the answer for this specific question. So the second, the thing is that the C, the letter choice C is, you might get confused about that. J to the power of, this is 3 over 2. And this is J squared to the power of 5. So that's why the answer is A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.